everyone who's doing labor jobs, for example, if robots can do it better, dig a hole,
Mm-hmm.
um,
Yeah.
load a truck, check you out at the grocery store, flip your hamburger, right? If
Yeah.
all of that goes away
Mm-hmm.
and you just give people money, what what is the purpose of the human being, I guess? What do
Yes.
I do with my life? If I'm not a
Ooh.
slave anymore to the traffic light, what is the meaning of, ooh, if I'm not a slave to the traffic light, because that gave me meaning in my life before, then what is the meaning of my life?
Yeah, yeah. This is really the question that we're coming to, huh? It may, it may not be so apparent when you first start talking about UBI, about basic income, but go a little bit down the wormhole, and then you go like, yeah, what are people gonna do 70-80% of their time? What are they gonna fill their day with? What is the purpose of human life on planet Earth? That, again, basically, you're coming to that. That's exactly what I was kind of getting at. That we're facing a much bigger question here. It's not about will a universal basic income thing work or not. It's the foundation of human life in human society in this global era that we're in. Now we need to answer this. What are humans supposed to do? We got to ask ourselves deeper questions. It's not what are we going to do with the people? You know what I mean? I'm saying the question needs to be a lot more fundamental, a lot more groundbreaking. We need to ask ourselves, what should we be doing? What is it that we want to do? And maybe even, what is it that we're supposed to be doing? If you
Can
think
you hold on?
about,
Can you
yeah,
ask those questions without making me feel like I'm a kid who did something wrong? What you should be, you're supposed to,
no,
like,
I'm saying
look,
supposed to
talk
be
to me
doing,
about it
or
more in terms
yeah,
of the structure of reality, not like
you're
supposed to, because
absolutely right.
what could I've done? I was born,
Yeah,
and then everyone took care of me. My parents and everyone took care of me. And then I got to a certain age, and then I was like out in the world on my own. I had to figure out how to pay bills. I had kids,
yeah.
I had a mortgage. What do you mean I should? Of course, I don't know what the choice. There's no should or
Okay,
shouldn't.
yeah,
So put it into focus here.
absolutely right. When I say what we should be doing or what we're supposed to be doing, I don't mean that in a preachy way. I mean that we live in a natural system. We are subject to the laws of the natural world, and we are evolving as a species. And so, if our evolution leads us to the point that we are now able to delegate most of what we need to do to machines that will serve us, and global networks of trade, of distribution, and so on, whatever it is, to care for our own needs. I'm saying that this is an evolutionary process predetermined, embedded in the laws of nature. The human is being pushed by nature to come to the point where most of our time can be free to engage in something. Nature's doing this for a reason. Just like, we can, when you look in hindsight, every evolutionary process had a reason. Every state in evolution had some conditions that led to it. That's how I'm looking at it. It's not from an ethics perspective on, what should we be doing. It's where is, let me phrase it like this, where is nature pushing mankind?